Hey, if you're looking for a great pink Jeep, this is a great option for little kids. So let me get you a little closer and show you some of the cool features that it comes with. This is by far my favorite feature. It has a parent remote that does park stop, forward, back, left, and right. It comes with 2 drive features, and it also comes with working sounds. So it has a horn, music, an FM mode, and a revving the engine sound. It also is a 2-seater with a 1 seatbelt lap belt. It also has a working door with a little button that the kids can push up and open the door and get out. It also has lights on the front and back. My one daughter's favorite feature is this rocking feature where the car will go back and forth. It is also super convenient to charge with the charging port being right in front. Overall, I think this is a great option and I highly recommend it.